Okay. Go ahead and call it. That's an internal
Yeah,
one.
we don't want an internal one.
Oh. Here's one right now.
All right. Here we go.
Isn't that a cool star down there?
It is. That looks awesome.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna go up, down, and then get off at 28.
Okay.
Oh, I love the. Oh, I love these.
Me too.
This is much better than the one in Phoenix.
Yeah.
We're in for a ride now.
Yep. We all know these used to be Otis, but now Schindler Modernizations.
Yes, that's fine. There's a TRE down there. There's the other class elevator. Let's
All right.
get off at 28.
28.
Try to get the indicator side now. We're gonna get off here. There it goes, and that's it.